Oh, the name of this video is Focus, number one. Number two, my kid Gino versus a cheese ball. Ready to do this, buddy? Come here. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. There's that cheese ball. Get it, man. Get that cheese ball. You got it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, thing's kicking your ass. Come on. Oh, sister here to help. Get out of here. And Simon, who invited you? This is about Gino and the cheese ball. Yeah, I know, man. This is tragic. What do you want, you bastard? Get out of here. Of course you don't go anywhere. And you, Gino, eat that cheese ball. Otherwise, you're not going to get one. Yep. The MO around this house. What do you want? What's up, buddy? Come here, you. Oh, yeah. Seriously, man, you're walking away from that cheese ball? Really? Gino, come here, man. What's the deal? Look at this thing. If you want your way with it, have it. Nope. Alright, well, apparently there's something disappointing in that cheese ball, which, it's probably his third one tonight, but nevertheless, alright, Gino, Simon Eyes, guitar, Gino again, later.